if you think somebody is not taking their hits, don't just stand there and shout, because an argument, cocktail marshals will come and inspect, will come and watch, make sure he is taking his hits. Chances are they will start taking ricochets, because they'll see us. Alright? But remember, if you start cheating, they'll start cheating. Alright? It'll just ruin the game completely. Play the game properly. If you get hit, say hit and walk away. Just put the spawn's only that far away from where you're fighting. Alright? Just go back to the spawn back in. And then go and shoot fuck it, the person's shooting me. Alright? There is no lasers allowed in this side whatsoever. Talking to the hurricanes. See any of the regulars, anyone's got a problem with flashing lights whatsoever? No? No? Yeah. Silence.
No.
Silence? No. Right. So if you haven't got a strobe capability on the flashlight, you can crack the fuck on. Has anybody got a problem with loud bangs? No. Sure. Definitely in the right place if you have. Alright. Knife kills are silent in here, alright? It's a tap on the shoulder, knife kill. That's the only time you don't need to shout hit straight away. Put your hand up in the air, walk away, give the person about 10 feet, approximately, and then start seeing dead man walking.
90-degree rubber knives, no allowed.
Has anybody got a problem getting stabbed in here?
Like these?
Right, it's a
like that.
It's still a tap, but it's not a run up like that. Fuck you.
That's for Martin. Fuck man.
As long as you're happy with all of it, alright? If you do think he's a bit excessive, boss slap him, alright? No, if you do think he's a bit excessive, at least tell him. Alright? Right, team deathmatch. That's all we're going to play team deathmatch only. Okay. The kill counters will be in play all night. Alright, so if you die, please press the button, spawn back in, head. Alright. Who do you want to that? That's on the fucking beef guy. Who do you want to that?
What do you want to
That's how you want to start that. That's it, right? Greens, you've got to start up at the back. Alright, you've got to start on that side. Non-bands, you've got to start at the PlayStation.
Hey, where are we going? I'm going this way. Oh, good shot, man. Ah, heck, good shot, Edward. He's nuts.
Who that?
Aye. Fucking hell. Is that how you just played the Defo all the time?
Was it?
Is that how you always played the Defo?
Ah,
Fucking hell, man. Oft.
Fast and sneaky, mate.
Huh?
Fast and sneaky.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Oh, you got me. Fair play. That was on the goal, man.
Pick you up. I just get